Hello and good day. Welcome to a tutorial on a headlight disassembly and bumper removal. Some idiot hit the median, that was me, so I did some damage to the left driver side, smashed my whole headlight. So anyway, these are the bolts. There's three 10 millimeter on each side, two on the top and then one in the turn signal disassembly. Um, and then there's a little screw right there for the actual turn signal that you got to remove, and then you just kind of pull it out because there's another bracket it's attached to. Anyway, then you got some screws you got to take out the grill, um, and then I have to do some bending to that front fender. Um, and thankfully, it wasn't a huge issue, but I did have to do quite a bit of bending. Won't look perfect, but I'm going to be getting an aftermarket bumper, so it should cover up a little bit of that. Anyway, decided to go with Depo lights because it's hard to find OEM unless you want to pay a nice, pretty penny for them. So I went with Depo lights, and I liked the fact that they were glass. There are some components that are obviously not as quality as you would like, but they actually turned out really well. I did a lot of research on some headlights, and I didn't want the halo. I'm not really into the futuristic look. They look nice and bright. Um, so the bumper removal, you're going to need a 14 millimeter, 12 millimeter, and a 10 millimeter. There are some brackets here holding it in place. It's pretty straightforward in terms of removing um, the bumper itself. It is actually heavier than you would imagine, probably about 60 pounds maybe. And you obviously won't be pinched unless you have done some damage. Um, so when you're removing it, it'll just slide right off the frame, and you have a couple of brackets there. Anyway, yeah, so then there's a couple of screws holding your turn signals on the actual front end of the vehicle. And the trim plates on the OEM are different than the actual ones that come with the Depo lights. So I took the trim off the headlight assembly and replaced anything that I could replace with the original. And they do have a conversion kit for your wiring system. I don't like the headlights that came with the Depo, but you know it's still better than what it was stock. Overall, the price I think is pretty good. I'll put a link in the descriptions for you if you want to take a gander. I haven't done a lot cosmetically to my Land Cruisers, so this is actually kind of fun to step into the external components of. So there's a small little plastic piece that come on the Depo lights that you actually need to remove, or else it gets in the way of the grill. At least on my version of the grill. I think the LX is probably a little bit different. And there you have it. So I was pretty happy with the results of how it all bent back and went back together. The actual assembly that you'll have if you haven't done any damage will be pretty quick. If you have any questions, keep posting. If you're curious about anything, ask away and we'll see what we can do. Thanks for tuning in, y'all.